have an early Camaro, 1967, SS 350. 67 has a vent window on it, and it's a true SS gold with black or black stripe, and so your stock wheel covers and everything. Ooh, gold interior. That's sweet. A lot of times they used to get the black interior. It's nice having a gold one. Automatic, probably turbo 350 SS. It's probably true to a true SS. Got the SS on the steering wheel. 120 mile an hour speedometer. There's always a lot of Camaros here, but this one I've never seen before. Yeah, got the SS gas cap. Yeah, nice sweet ride. Gold is a nice color too. I mean, I like gold. I mean, I like gold better than silver. Well, yeah, I like gold better than silver and money too. I would have 10 ounces of gold and 10 ounces of silver. But color is nice. And, you know, this is a color too that sometimes some people don't realize when they're painting a car or they're even buying a car. You know, you got a red, let's see, a white car is very hard to keep clean. A black car is hard to keep clean. Even a red car. The gold car, you know, a little bit of dirt on it doesn't show up as much. So that's one factor too. Plus they look nice. They always look nice too with the black and gold, which is a I don't know. It's a nice color combination, black and gold. Or if you have a black car, you put some gold stripes on it. But you know, I mean, I don't like the brown, but copper or gold colored copper, nice.